Dear students, I welcome to eSchool channel. We are seeing mathematics part 1, and in that we are seeing chapter 1 sets. First of all, we will understand that what is set itself is. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called as set. Generally, the name of set is given by a capital letters from A to Z. Whenever you are giving name to set, you have to remember that it must start with capital letters from A to Z. But when the members or elements of set, they are shown by small letters between small a to small z. Okay, if suppose if a is an element or a member of set A, then we can write it as, how we can write it as, a, this is sign belongs to this capital A. What is the meaning of this? That means what? A is an element of set A, then we write it in a symbolic manner as this A is the element of this set A. This capital means what? This is the name of set, and what is this small a? This is the element of this set. And if A is not an element of set A, then how we can write it as? We write it as A, this is not belongs to, this is the, this line shows what, this sign shows what, it is not belongs to A. That means what? A is not an element of set A. So we can write in this symbolic manner. Now we will see that what are the different examples of the set of numbers. You know that if you have to form a set of natural numbers, okay, so you can represent it by name of set is, you know that capital N, it should start with capital N, is equal to, in this input brace we are writing 1 comma 2 comma 3, because you know that natural numbers starts from 1, and I am showing this as dash 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 dash. Okay, that means it is going on forward. Okay, then if suppose you have to find, you have to represent the set of whole numbers, I am giving the name of the set as W, capital W is equal to, you know that whole number comprises or it starts from 0, that's why I am showing that set as 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma dot dot dot. Okay, now if suppose you have to represent the set of integers, okay, I am giving the name of that set by capital I. You know that integers, it may comprises of negative numbers as well as positive numbers. When you have seen on the scale, or that what are the numbers to the right of the 0 and what are the numbers to the left of the 0, so integer represents that. I am just showing in this set as all these numbers, these are right to the 0, 0 comma 1 comma 2, 2 onwards, and to the left of 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and so on. That is going on like that. You are representing this set of integers. Or if suppose you have to represent a set of rational numbers, as you know that I am representing it as rational numbers as on the uh, number line to the right of the numbers, suppose 0, this is 1 by 4 comma 1, like that, and here to the left of 0 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 and so on. These are the rational numbers. Okay, so these are the few examples of set of numbers. Now what we have to see? We have to see that what are the methods of writing the sets. When it comes to the methods of writing the sets, there are two distinct methods. First is listing method. It is also called as roster method. Listing method is also called as roster method. And rule method, okay, rule method is also called as set builder method or form. So first of all, we will see that what is this listing method or roster method. You know that as the word suggests, listing, that means it is the list, that elements are represented in the form of list. In this method, we write all the elements or members of a set in curly bracket. Okay, we are writing all these elements in this curly bracket. If suppose I am representing this, we are representing this in a curly bracket. This is the opening curly bracket, this is the closing curly bracket. Each of the element is written once only. That is the very important point. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by comma. The order of element is not important. In this case, order of the element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. We will see that. First of all, we have seen that each of the element is written once only and separated by comma. So this is the example. Here I have taken that set of odd numbers between 1 and 10. You know that what are the odd numbers between 1 and 10? No doubt they are 3, 5, 7, 9. And what is the name? If suppose I am giving name to this set as A. A is representing a set of all odd numbers between 1 and 10. But what this rule says that you have to show all these elements, no doubt, but order is not important. As we have shown over here, A is equal to in bracket 7 comma 3 comma 5 comma 9, but you have to take care that all elements should come at least once. Okay, so this is the definition of listing method or roster method. But before that, we see that what is our uh, rule. It says that if element comes more than once, okay, element comes more than once, then it is mandatory to write that element only once. If suppose we have to show a set of word remember, so in that remember, that how many words are there? R is there, E is there, M, E, M, B, E, R. But whatever repeated letters, suppose E is repeated, M is repeated. Okay. So in writing the set, you have to write this set in this fashion so that no letter is repeated. So remember, if I have to write the set of remember word, then I am writing it as A is equal to in bracket R comma E comma M comma B, because all these are the alphabets comprises in this word remember. No letter should be repeated in this set. Then we have to see that second method, that is rule method or set builder method. As rule method is what? In this method, we do not write the list of elements. Here we are not writing the list of elements, but write general element using variable followed by vertical line or colon. This is the vertical line. Instead of this vertical line, you can take this as colon also. Okay, this is called as colon. Instead of this vertical line, if suppose you don't want to write by with the help of vertical line, you can write with this colon. So example is what? A is equal to in bracket x, this vertical line, then x, this is the belongs to n, comma x is between 1 and 10. This is the curly bracket complete. what is the meaning of this? We have written in this rule method or set builder method. Set A is a set of all x. Okay, it is set of all x such that x is natural number. So what is this meaning of this? X is natural number, or x belongs to natural numbers between between 1 and 10, between 1 and 10. So you have to just read like that, that set a is a set of all x such that x is natural number between 1 to 10. So this is all about in our this theory. Then we have to see some examples of the rule method and listing method. Okay, I am showing you some examples of the rule method and listing method. You know that if suppose whatever this is the rule method is also called as set builder method, or listing method is also called as roster method. In your any uh, practice set, if suppose uh, in sometimes that they have given you a roster method or listing method, you have to write that in the form of rule method, or they have given in the rule method or set builder form, you have to write in a listing. So here example is given as a is a set of x where x is letter of word division. Okay, how that can be written in this roster method as a is equal to, no doubt this is the word d I v I s I o n. But while writing in the listing method, you know that no alphabet or letter should be repeated. So here repetition of I is there, repetition of I is there, here repetition of I is there. That's why instead of writing that repeated I, we have written in this set A in listing method as A is equal to set of D, I, V, S, O and N. So I is not repeated. Okay, so that you have to take care while writing this listing method. Then second example, if suppose they have given you a listing method or roster method as B is equal to, B is a set of minus 3 comma 3. Okay, that can be written in rule method as B is a set of all y's such that y is a number, or y is a number such that y square is equal to 9. You know that what is the minus 3 square? Minus 3 square is 9, and plus 3 square is also 9. That's why we are writing b is equal to set of minus 3 comma 3. Then in the last example, that c is equal to in curly bracket z, and this is vertical line, z is multiple of 5 and is less than 30. Okay, how that can be written in listing method? That c is a multiple of 5. If suppose I am writing this is a capital C, set of all that multiple of 5, 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 25 comma 25, 20 comma 25, because it is less than 30, so 30 will not come. Okay, it is less than 30. Okay, so 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25, like that you have to solve this rule method or listing method. Then we will see that what is basically that this is shown with listing method, that set a is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 12 comma 14, where x is equal to a is equal to what? A is a set of all x. X is an even natural numbers and it is less than 15. It is less than 50. Okay, so x is an even natural number less than 15. Now second example, x is a perfect square of a number between 1 to 20. It is given in rule method. So what you have to write, b is a set of all x where x is a perfect square of number between 1 to 20. So perfect square will be, that number will be 4. 4 is a perfect square of 2. Then 9 is a perfect square of 3. Then 16 is a perfect square of 4. Okay, so we have to write this. Then next example is what? Here in the listing method it is given that C is a set of all that alphabets, or all these alphabets are A comma E comma I comma O comma U. So how that can be written? C is a set such that all is a set of x, okay, or y, whatever it may be, where x is a vowel in English alphabets. Okay, that can be written as like this. So now here in rule method it is given that d is equal to, or d is a set of y such that y is a color in a rainbow. Okay, so y in color in rainbow, that means what is the color in the rainbow? You know that. How we can form this in a listing method? That you know that. What is the color? V, that is violet, indigo, then blue, then green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, these are the color in rainbow. Okay, so you can write in that fashion, that in a listing method. Here again in rule method, it is given that P is a set of all x where such that x belongs to integer and that value of x is in between -3 and 3. -3 and 3. So I can write the set of P such that. How I can write this set? First of all, here this is the 0 on the number line, 1, 2, it is less than 3. That's why up to 2, and here -1, here -2. Okay, so here the set of P which comprises of -2 comma -1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2, because what is the value of x? X is between -3, x is less than -3, and x is less than 3. That's why we have written like that. Then second or last example, listing method is given that m is equal to 1 comma set of, m is a set of 1 comma 8 comma 27 comma 64 comma 125. What is this? When you observe that this is the perfect cube. Okay, so this is the perfect cube. How you can write it as? You can write it m is a set of all x such that x is equal to n cube. I can write n cube. But what is the value of n? N is what? N is less than or equal to 1, and n is here less than or equal to 5. Okay, so this is the things you can write, because n is less than or equal to 1, that means here 1 value comes. It is the perfect cube of 1. 1 cube is 1, and what is the 5 cube is 125. That's why this value is written. So like that we have written in rule method. So in this way you have to solve this listing method and rule method of the sets. If suppose you like our this video, because on this video your next exercise or next practice set is based. If you watch it carefully, subscribe it, share to your friends. Thank you very much.